Okay, so first read about the archaeological sources. The Red Fort. The Red Fort was earlier known as Qila-e-Mubarak, which means the blessed fort. The Red Fort, we know where is the Red Fort. It is in Delhi, and it's earlier known as Qila-e-Mubarak, means its first name was not the Red Fort, it was named as Qila-e-Mubarak, which means the blessed fort. Now we are going to study about the monuments. Monuments are the buildings and structures of historical importance. Monuments means कोई भी building हो, some structure of historical importance, means which has some history on its own, which has some history encrypted on it. It is called a monument. Okay, now let us know about these monuments. They are constructed in the past. They give us a lot of knowledge about the lives of people who lived at that time. So in monuments, what happens? It is constructed at the past time, and from them we come to know about the people, about the time, about what they use, how they used to live at that time. Okay, these all things we come to know by reading up these monuments. The buildings show the architectural designs, religion, social life, politics during those times. Okay, this from these buildings we come to know the architectural designs, means how at that time, you know, the buildings, they were not, these monuments are not like that we used to live today, isn't it? There are some, the designs are different. Okay, the religions means what is the religion of the people. You see, so many religions are there, Hindu, Muslims, Christians, isn't it, Buddhist people. So what religion they used to follow, their social lives, the politics also from these monuments. The popular monuments that we come across are temples. Temples, you all know what is a temple, means mandirs. Victory forts. Now what is victory fort? Victory fort means after they win a battle or something like that, they used to build a monument. Okay, so these are victory forts. Palaces means बड़े बड़े महल जो होते थे, पर their homes where they used to live is called palaces. Then monasteries means the place where the monks used to live. Monks means pandits and something. Okay, they used to live, means it is a religious place. And the gateways. Gateway means, have you heard the name of Gateway of Mumbai, Gateway of India? Like that way, the gateway is also made in that time. Means the entrances. Okay, you have all seen the entrance of Jamnagar, isn't it? There is a huge gate. So let us read about the first monument, that is the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal was built by Emperor Shah Jahan. We all know that it is located in the bank of the river Yamuna, and it is in Agra, and it is a symbol of love, beauty and perfection. And this is the picture of Red Fort or Lal Killa. It is also known as Lal Killa, and it is in Delhi. It was built by also Emperor Shah Jahan. It is called Red Fort because it is built with red sandstone. Okay, the third monument is the Qutub Minar. The construction of Qutub Minar was started by Qutbuddin Aibak. Okay, but due to his early death, it was completed by his successor Iltutmish. Means it was started by him. Okay, started by Qutbuddin, but after his death, his successor, means उसके बाद जो राजा बने Iltutmish, he completed that.